I've made it to the beach to search for some wishing stones. It's a bit rough today. Found my first wishing stone for the day, and wow. So I'm just scanning the beach. Luckily there's loads of gravel again today. That is definitely helpful. I'm not used to looking for the wishing stones specifically, so I don't quite have the trained eye for it. I'm gonna try to get down lower. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yay, another wishing stone. Very glad. Oh, this one's broken. Okay, I'll leave that one. I expected it to be, considering that there are so many rocks with veins, but it turns out a lot of them have broken veins. I mean, this is almost one, but it's broken off that. Oh, maybe this is the spot that doesn't run right through. Oh, yes, yay! Yay, another wishing stone. Smallest wishing stone I've found today. I found one buried in the sand. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Ah, double. Damn. Oh, is that another one? Oh, it's kind of in some sort of clay. Get that one cleaned off before adding it to the collection that I'll lay out after. Oh, that's a big one. Hear that breaking from the distance. Is that a big one? Yes, so cool. Just stacked the big one there, and I'm gonna see if I can find any more in this area. If I can't, I'm gonna head off. I've been here for about an hour now. Looking down lower again. I mean, it does wrap around both sides. I'll class that as a wishing stone. It's got a nice thick vein through it. Oh, not quite, it's broken. Is that it? It's not a white vein, does that count? I don't know. I just found this tiny little one. I suppose that's the last for the day. Oh, I love that. Might as well sit down, the sand's a bit wet, but it's worse. Right here, I'm going to throw into the ocean. turns out I had actually found 11. However, I had missed this one and it was still in my pocket. So there you have it. 10 wishing stones here, one being returned to the ocean. I'll leave these ones here. Maybe someone else will find them.